Hello, this is the third Label Mabel help video. We're going to concentrate on importing and exporting of labels this time. It's a big issue. It's much easier to import labels than it is to type each one of them. We'll sign into my account at LabelMabel. I'm the root user. And as you can see here, you can see the house label file. This file has about 150 labels, and it contains every member of the lower house of Australia, of Parliament. And it gives their addresses and well, their electorate addresses, really. Now, I obtained this from a CSV file that I downloaded off the gov.au website. So it came from the government website itself. There are many CSV and Excel files that can be imported this way through the web. I'll teach you how to export. See the export link there? Just click it, and the current label file is exported. So you can see there it's got a double quoted entry for every single line. So you can right click on that, select all. You could right click again, copy. Then you can go into Notepad, paste into Notepad, and then save as whatever file you wish. So in order to get rid of that screen, you just click export again, get rid of it. Now you can import any, if you hit the import link there at the bottom left of the dashboard, you can click. Now you can import from Excel spreadsheets, Open Office spreadsheets, or comma separated value files. So that's the three types you can import from, but you need to specify the columns that are taken from the spreadsheet or the comma separated value file, and whether there's a carriage return after those columns. So what we'll download from the Senate list of Australia, which I've taken the CSV file and I've put it into the spreadsheet, this open source spreadsheet, and as you can see, there's quite a few columns on this spreadsheet. There's over 30 columns. There's about almost 30 columns on the spreadsheet, so it's quite an impressive spreadsheet. But what we'll do is we'll specify the B as the first column because that's the honorific. Then we'll go C for the first name. Then we'll go A for the second name. We'll put a carriage return after the A, and then after that we'll get the electorate address line 1 at K and the electorate address line 2 at L. We'll put a carriage return after L, and then after that we'll get the electoral suburb M and the electoral state N and the electoral postcode of O. So let's go back to our Label Mabel import screen, and we'll do that. So first of all, I go in the order of the columns. I do B first, C next, and then A, after which I put the carriage return in. See the carriage return indicator there. And what you'll see down here is you'll see BCA. So the order of the columns is kept down here, but you never need to type in here. All you need to do is set these indicators up here. So we'll go to K and then L. Put a carriage return after L, and then we'll go to M and N and O. And as you can see down here, you see the order of the columns is kept there. We can actually import and create a server variable or a local variable. We're going to try a local variable because you may not want your Christmas list on my server. You might want it on the privacy of your server. So then we'll browse to get to the ODS file that has the the Senate list. And we'll see it right there. We'll open it. And we'll reload the page. And what you can see here is you got the local file of senate.lab, and you have and Senator the Honourable Eric Abetz, Highbury House, 136 Davy Street, Hobart, Tasmania 7000. So that's Eric Abetz' first label electorate office address. What you'll see here in the first label is simply the column names have all been stuck together. Don't worry about them. Just say delete me and you get rid of them. So, so at a very quick time, we've put in approximately 120 or 100 labels basically, and they're all correct, and we can use them to print with. So we'll use the Australian flag as the background image. We'll make the opacity be 0.3. We'll make the background color, font color be black. We'll save all that. Then we'll print. And you can see the Australian flag is back there. So that's several pages. That's 4 pages. There might be a blank page at the end there. If we go to the end, we'll see that's a blank page. Printing on of labels is not totally perfect in Firefox, and sometimes there's a blank page at the end. We'll get rid of that eventually, but not at this time. So we'll hit the F5 key to go back to the screen there, and that's how you import and export. So thanks very much. Thanks for listening. Bye.